Hi guys, it's Eddie here. Have you ever thought about how to make Puerto Rican fritters? How does learning how to make guava and cheese pastelillos, Nutella pastelillos, and empanadillas de carne sound? It's easier than it sounds. So if you're interested in learning how to make these as easy as 1, 2, 3, come with me and I'll show you how it's made. Check out our description below for the list of ingredients. These are the ingredients I'll be using today. This is the leaf you see here. It's called Culantro. Common names for this is recaito, shadow benny, Mexican coriander, long coriander. It is native to Central America, South America, Mexico, and the Caribbean. We will be using a whole potato, peeled and chopped. We have about half a cup of bell peppers, onions, and green peppers, a pound of ground beef chuck, 80-20. We will be making some pastelillos from Nutella. They're so delicious. Wait till you see how they come out. Other pastelillos we're going to be making is from guava. Sometimes we use guava by itself, or we mix it up with white cheese. The white cheese I'm going to be using is queso fresco. Here we have the Goya disc dough, 2 tablespoons of recaito, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. We're going to have 10 whole olives cut in halves, 1 packet of sazon with saffron. These are the knives I use. They're very sharp. They're called Hazier, worldwide surgical stainless steel knives. Gotta be careful, you cut your fingers off of these things. The fresh batch we're gonna try today is Nutella. Leave me a comment, let me know how they came out. I bet you're not gonna regret it. Place your first Goya disc right on any flat surface. Take a small spoon, just place it right on it, spread it. Then you're going to fold over and you're going to press the corners with a fork. And you have made your first Nutella pastelillo. To make the beef filling for the pastelillos, we're going to start some ground beef in the pan. Make sure it's nice and hot. Want to make sure this is cooked through. Pan is nice and warm. We're going to add our potatoes, our culantro or recaito, our olive olives, not olive oil, our peppers, onions, all that good stuff. Now for the dry mixture, the salt, about a teaspoon, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, some sazon, and a bit of sofrito. It's not homemade, I ran out of, but watch my next videos and I'll show you how to make some homemade sofrito. I'm gonna put in a couple of spoons in here and just mix this all around. This is probably gonna cook for like 20 minutes, making sure your meat is nice and brown all the way around. You do not want to have some raw beef. So I'll get back in a few minutes when this is ready to go, ready to be done. It smells delicious. Can't wait to try it. I found these in the freezer at Walmart where you have your Goya section. If they're frozen, make sure they're thawed out for at least an hour to 2 hours prior to using. They're very fragile and they'll easily break on you. For the guava pastry, we're gonna add a piece of guava, a piece of white cheese, and this white cheese is salty compared to the sweetness of the guava, so it has a nice contrast. You're gonna love it. So we fold it over, make it like a little sandwich. Then we're gonna close it up with the fork, making sure all the corners are nice and sealed. So if you're frying it, the oil doesn't get inside. We don't want no soggy pastries. And you can make a bunch ahead and freeze them by placing wax paper in between each one and place them in a freezer Ziploc bag. When you are ready to fry them, make sure the oil is hot. Fry them until they have a golden color on each side. And this is how they look after you deep fry them. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you later.